तो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, जय जगन्नाथ। फाइनली ओपीएससी रो लॉन्ग अवेटेड एग्जाम असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर रो हैज बीन कंडक्टेड यस्टरडे। जीएस पेपर को नहीं कि बहुत सारा रिएक्शंस आसीची। बहुत जन कहउछन्ती मॉडरेट टफ थिला बट रियलिटी होची ओपीएससी स्लाइटली गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द पैटर्न ऑफ यूपीएससी इन ऑल एग्जाम्स। खाली सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम रे नुह बल्कि जो एएसओ एग्जाम आगु को आसुची सीजीएल वगैरह एग्जाम रे भी या फिर म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एग्जाम रे भी वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि जो क्वेश्चन आसीबो दे विल नॉट बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, सेथि टिके बैकग्राउंड नॉलेज और टिके डेप्थ इंपोर्टेंट। तो आज हमें डिस्कस करिवु काली का पेपर रो जीएस पेपर रो आंसर की एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ एंड या आगो को स्ट्रेटजी कोन रहिबो फॉर द अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हमें डिस्कस करछु सेट बी। दो क्वेश्चंस तो समस्त सेम बट नंबर डिफर करे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची the only Air Force officer to have received the Paramveer Chakra award, the highest award, that is Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon, right? Second question, option B. One first hochi option B. Then second question hochi the S-400 missile defense system is procured by India from, it has been in the news since the not just this year but last many years. Okay, sanctions lagichi Russia upar, but anyhow and despite that India is procuring these missiles that is from Russia. Okay, now third, in a boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat, which aircraft was given acceptance of necessity by Defense Acquisition Council in June 2022 to be manufactured by HAL? एथिरे कंफ्यूजन्स आछि पिलांकर दीटा ऑप्शन नहीं कि डॉर्नियर आउ सुखोई 30, बट द राइट आंसर विल बी मोस्ट प्रोबेबली सी, दो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द आंसर की ऑफ ओपीएससी, बट डॉर्नियर वाज द एयरक्राफ्ट, सुखोई 30 वाज द इंजन, सो डॉर्नियर विल बी द आंसर। Moving on, the fourth question is Sela Tunnel. The location of Sela Tunnel. If you have been following the news regarding border infrastructure, you would be solving this question very easily. It is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Fine. Moving on, the fifth question is the equivalent rank of a squadron leader in the army is, answer will be major. Right? Question number 6. Question number 6 is who were awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2019? The answer will be John Goodenough and co. Right? Moving on, the next question. Question number 9. Question number 8. Sorry. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Where is question number 7? Okay, the online campaign that led to declaration of Jaipur rainforest as national park in Assam, the answer will be Save Dihing Patkai. Okay, now question number 8 will be which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? So we know the greenhouse gases, right? We must not confuse between these two, nitrous oxide and nitrogen dioxide. So nitrogen dioxide is not a greenhouse gas, the rest are ozone, nitrous oxide N2O and CFCs. Okay, because they help in trapping of greenhouse gases. Had it been for acid rain, we could have called NO2, right? Now question number 9, who developed the concept of hotspots? Straightforward question, it is Norman Myers. Option D, Norman Myers. Okay, now what are parasitic photosynthetic plants called? Again, straightforward question, holoparasites will be the answer of question 10. Option D, holoparasites. Okay, now 11th question, how frequently pollutants are being monitored under National Air Quality Monitoring Program? Okay, we know about the particulate matter 2.5, right? So this program monitors it does twice a week. Okay, that will be the right answer, option B. 11, option B. One second. Now, what is the total species diversity across all communities within a geographic area called? So we need to know about the diversities of ecology. Now the answer will be gamma diversity, because alpha diversity talks about the diversity within an ecosystem. Beta diversity talks about the diversity of unique species among different ecosystems, while gamma diversity talks about the diversity in the entire universe of ecosystems of an area, right? So the answer will be gamma diversity. So as we can see in the previous question, the questions are not any more straightforward like in the previous years of OPSC exams. For this you need to have holistic understanding of environment and ecology. Okay. Now the next question is, I guess it will be 12. 13, okay. Which is world's largest solar park? It will be Bhadla Solar Park, India. It is located in Rajasthan. Okay, this has been in the news. Now, what is the modeling approach for evaluating species to climate change called? Now, again, there is a confusion in this question regarding which will be the correct option, but the most appropriate option seems to be bioclimatic envelope model. This model says how a new species adjusts to a new climate or how they function in a new climate. Correct? Now coming to question 15, following which of the following have high assimilation efficiencies of over 90%? This will be secondary carnivores. Okay, the option will be A, secondary carnivores. Moving on. Now a question regarding the budget. What is the term that was used for cryptocurrency in the recent budget? It will be virtual digital assets. So if you had followed the budget and economic survey section in the February-March period, you would have answered this very easily, right? And because also cryptocurrencies have been in news in the last 6-7 months. Okay, now next question is a straightforward one. Which state in India presented child budget as part of annual state budget? The answer will be Madhya Pradesh. Okay, again a question regarding state schemes, okay, which is important. Now, the government of India announced its decision to convert 150 villages into villages of excellence with technical assistance from which country? The answer will be Israel, option B. Okay, we have had many collaborations with Israel. This is one of them. Okay, moving on. Question 19. Yes, question 19. Which of the following is not the objective of Operation Sajag launched by Delhi Police? Now this you can eliminate. Even if you have no idea about Operation Sajag, you can eliminate from the options. See the options: to curb area domination exercise, keeping tab on criminals, intensive checking on pickets. Now these three seem similar, right? To keep a tab on criminals, to reduce crime. This seems completely out of place. Special rewards to traffic friendly drivers. Right? We cannot be reading about every scheme of every state. It is tough practically. But by good elimination technique, we can come to this conclusion. So the answer is 19D. Special rewards to traffic friendly drivers. Moving on. This is a factual question. The GSI has approved the setting up of country's first geological park at, it will be Lamheta, Jabalpur. Okay. Let's move on. 21. Question 21 is a match the following question: states and dances. Okay. For this, you need not know the dance of every state, right? Ideally, you should know, but even if you do not know, if you can match one state to the respective dance, you can eliminate, you can come to the right option. Now, one thing is obvious. Mizoram is, we can go to the next page. Mizoram is associated with bamboo and bamboo dance. Okay, Mizoram and bamboo dance. So option 2 must be connected with option 3, right? This is here and this is there in no other option. So the answer will be of question 20A, right? All others are matched similarly, appropriately. Okay, now question number, this was question number 21. I beg your pardon, this was question number 21. Now we will move to question number 22. The CBSE has introduced data science as a subject for students 8 to 12 class in collaboration with whom? The answer will be Microsoft. Okay. Just after the new education policy, we are hearing things about introducing programming to new students from an early age, and data science also. So we must be aware about it. Okay, answer will be Microsoft. Moving on. Now this is where many students could have made a mistake, because no, digital Bhashini, we will come to that later. Now first question number 23, which of the following statements is not correct? Okay, this is a dispute between option B and D in this question, but we can say more appropriate will be first option is Ministry of Earth Sciences has launched the Deep Ocean mission. This seems to be correct. Okay, second option is this mission mode project is to support the green economy. Now this should be blue economy ideally, right? Green economy ke badle blue economy. So not correct, so this could be the answer. Okay, there is ambiguity, but most probably 23B. We will get to know about the absolute, because ultimately what OPSC decides the answer key, that is the ultimate answer key, but we can come to this conclusion that 23B. Fine. Now next question. This I was talking about. Many students could have done a mistake here. Digital India Bhashini is, people would have ticked A, India's artificial intelligence led language translation platform, but the question lies here. Which of the above is not correct? Right? Which of the above is not correct? Artificial intelligence led language translation platform? Absolutely correct. Access to global content in their languages? Absolutely correct. D, Digital India Vision? Seems about correct, seems correct. Step to realize digital photography? Out of place? Not correct. So this is our answer. Correct? 24C. Now, next question. The theme of Earth Day. In our current affairs classes, we had discussed this in detail regarding the days and themes, everything, which should be, and we will see along when we discuss all the questions, we will see there have been many questions which have come from directly from our current affairs classes, right? The theme of Earth Day is straightforward question, option D, invest in our planet.